Okay, good day, Biomeds. I have here an SK602 infusion pump, and as you can see, there's a blinking on the left side. This indicator means that there is something wrong with our infusion pump. So I'm going to try to turn this on. And then, as you can see, there's also a blinking on the screen. So meaning it doesn't turn on. Okay, so my first diagnosis is there is a problem with the power supply. So we're going to check this up. I'm going to open the infusion pump and we'll try to see what's the problem. Okay, here you go. This is the power supply. So first thing to do is to check up these components, this portion. So I'm going to pull this out since this is embedded in the main board, as you can see here. I'm going to pull this out and I'm going to check all the components here, especially in this area, since there is an intermittent output from this main high voltage to lower voltage transformer. And one thing I'm going to check is these three capacitors, and especially this one, the main filter also. Okay, so I'm going to open this up and see what's the culprit. Okay, as you can see here, I already installed back the power supply. So the first thing I did is test these three capacitors here, and this one, the main filter. The main filter is okay, but the one here in the center, this one, it has a lower value compared to these two. So I did replace this one and as you can see here, this one, this opto isolator, I did replace this because it's shorted. And I hope it does solve our problem. If not, then I'm going to pull this out again and check this diodes here. There's a diode here inside, and also this transformer. I'm going to pull this out and test it if it does not steady light on the green LED. So I'm going to test this one and hope it does turn on. Okay, I'm going to plug it in. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a steady light, and in this area also we have a steady red light. Yellow light. So it means the voltage here is stable at 12 volts. So I think we solved our problem. The next thing to do here is to test this one and calibrate our infusion. Okay, I'm going to install it back to the infusion pump. Okay, as you can see here, we have a steady light. So we're going to turn on the button, and as you can see, we have the display. So my first thing to do is to charge the battery up, and I'm going to test this one and calibrate. Then once it's calibrated, I'm going to return this to the rightful owner. Okay, thank you, Biomeds, and God bless.